Hello, I'm Phil Kitchen, an Accounts Director here at Brown Butler, Chartered Accountants in Leeds. I'm here today to talk to you about e-commerce and selling online. In terms of VAT, for most goods, there's no difference between selling online or selling in person. An exception to this rule is with digital goods and services such as ebooks and music downloads, which are covered by a separate set of VAT rules. As far as HMRC are concerned, if you sell online, you're just using the internet as a tool for communication, distribution, and receiving payments. Whether you're selling online or physically, the basic rule applies. You only charge VAT if your business is registered for VAT. You will need to register your business for VAT if the annual turnover exceeds the VAT limit, which is currently £85,000 per year. However, there can be benefits for your business in registering even if your turnover is below this limit, depending on the amount of expenditure you incur with VAT. To register for VAT, you must submit a form to HMRC confirming the business's details. Once you're registered, you are required to charge VAT on all of your sales at the appropriate rate. This is known as output VAT. The VAT which you incur on any costs is known as input VAT. Each VAT period, which is usually a quarter, you must account for the output VAT you've charged to customers, and you can deduct any input VAT incurred on the costs. You must pay the balance to HMRC and file your VAT return with them each quarter and pay any VAT liability due. As of April 2019, VAT-registered businesses with a turnover of more than 85,000 must make VAT returns under the Making Tax Digital legislation. This is the first stage in the implementation of the government's MTD scheme, which is intended to make the filing of most taxes online. This scheme is being extended to 2022 to incorporate other forms of taxation, including income. In the UK, there are three basic VAT rates: standard rate, which is 20%, reduced rate, which is 5%, zero rate, which is 0%, and some supplies are exempt from VAT altogether. When you're selling goods online, this is vital to know which rate of VAT to apply. VAT applies on delivery charges at the same rate as the VAT on the item. So you charge 20% VAT on delivery for goods that are 20% rated and zero rate for goods that are zero rated. If you offer free delivery, then obviously there is no extra VAT to charge, as it's all included within the price of the item. If you are VAT registered, you need to make sure that this is clear to customers on your website. The prices you display can be shown as VAT inclusive, and you don't necessarily need to list the VAT separately. We are one of Yorkshire's leading independent firms when it comes to VAT. If you've got any concerns over VAT or questions, speak to our dedicated VAT department to find out how we can help today.